Hello, I'm Dr. Tony Long, your Hurricane Chiropractor, and I am here with Madeline. She's actually my daughter. She just turned 16 today. She's probably going to try to get her license later on. So Maddie's been adjusted since she was a little baby, so we're going to show you how we do a general adjustment on a 16-year-old with a good attitude. We have a different adjustment for the bad attitude. Go ahead and lay down your back. So we have them lay down on their back. We'll start with the neck. We'll work our way all the way down. Find any areas of the neck that are restricted or bound up. And that ends up causing pain, like a spot right here, that tender right there. Yeah. So take a little bit of pressure off here, like that. That's how we spell relief. Left side, right here. Perfect. There. Now I'm going to have a flip around on our stomach. Go face down. Start at the base of the neck. 1, 2, 3. She gets a lot of tension in between her shoulder blades, her shoulders. Good. And there we go. Perfect. And we'll come down and check our leg length. Make sure the legs line up. We got even there. Looks pretty good. We have a little tightness here on the right side. For that, we're going to tenderizer. Use a little massager. It's a percussion instrument. Helps to increase the circulation, relax the muscles. Everybody loves this part. Vibrates you so much that most of the time it makes your nose itch. Is it making your nose itch?
Kind of.
Alright, so we got that loosened up. So to adjust this side here, we'll have her lay with her left side down, turn towards me. Bend this top leg. And just a little bit. There you go. Good job. Other side. Perfect. What's up? Stand up right here and turn your back towards me. Straight ahead. There we go. Moving better. Good. So that's how we do an adjustment on a 16-year-old with a good attitude. So that would be a little smarter when she's driving. That's all for now. I'm Dr. Tony Long, your Hurricane Chiropractor, and we will see you next time.